This is a story about a family beach trip.
The family is going to the beach today.
Is everyone ready?
Yes, Dad. I am so excited. Me too. I want to swim.
Do not forget the sunscreen.
Good idea, Anna.
The family gets into the car.
How long is the drive?
About 30 minutes, Oliver.
I can see the ocean from here.
The family arrives at the beach.
Wow. The beach is so big.
Let us find a good spot.
How about over there? Near the water.
That spot looks perfect.
They set up their beach spot. Children, come here. Sunscreen time.
But Mom, I want to play now.
Sunscreen first.
Mom is right, Oliver. We do not want sunburn.
Sunburn hurts a lot. Trust me.
Okay, Mom. Please put sunscreen on me.
After the sunscreen, the children run to the water.
The water is cold. I like it. It feels nice.
Be careful near the waves.
We will, Dad.
Emma and Oliver play in the waves.
Emma, look. A small fish. Wow. It is so pretty. Do not scare it.
Children, do you want to build a sand castle?
Yes, I love sandcastles. Let us make a really big one.
The family builds a sand castle together.
Oliver, bring more wet sand.
Yes, Dad. I am a good helper. Mom, I found pretty shells for decoration.
Beautiful. Put them on the castle walls.
The sand castle is finished.
This is the best castle ever!
Great teamwork, everyone.
I am hungry. Time for our picnic.
I am hungry too.
The family enjoys their picnic on the beach.
This sandwich is yummy.
Do not talk with food in your mouth, Oliver.
Sorry, Mom. Dad, can we come to the beach again?
Of course. This is a perfect family day.
The sun begins to set.
Look at the pretty colors in the sky.
It is so beautiful. What a wonderful day.
This was the best day ever.
Time to go home now.
Can we say goodbye to the ocean?
Of course, sweetheart. Go ahead.
Goodbye, ocean. Ah, see you next time. Goodbye, beach. We will come back.
The family walks back to the car.
Oliver falls asleep in the car.
Mom, Oliver is sleeping.
He had so much fun today.
We all did. It was a great family day.
Thank you, Mom and Dad. I love you.
We love you too, sweetheart. The family arrives home safely. It was a perfect beach day.
Family time is the best time.
Thank you for watching.